what you want after. You know you're nasty. Don't ride at my house, call a taxi. I'm picky with my women on the side.
I need you to trust me. Last time.
How can us lose and miss the moment? You were just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Another Vibe. It's your girl Gloria and I'm back again with another video. Sorry for my voice, but then Merry Christmas to you all and Happy New Year. Yeah, so today's video is just gonna be a vlog, like, yeah, just me having fun because I'm tired. I know, so I'm sick, but I just have to, you know, make sure I'm good because it's almost 2025. Yeah. Yeah, I'm doing get ready with me. So today's plan is just to go out with my girlfriend. Yeah, we have a little date. After that I'll be going to cinema. Yeah, so that will be the whole vlog for today. Let me just get dressed with y'all. This is the top I'm going to be wearing for today, with this jeans right over here. You can point so you can see the details. Yeah, this is how the back side also looks like. I know it's cold, yeah, I really know it's cold and it's Belgian weather. I'll be wearing this hoodie inside just in case because it's cold. You can never trust Belgian weather. Belgian weather is fake like Ghana boys. Hey, okay, no one should come for me, I'm just saying. Hey. Oh my god, it's been a long time since I look good. I got my lashes down and my hair is also done. Later I'll know what to do to my hair, but yeah, it's already braided. This year is not a good year. I don't know, but it's a year that we need to remember all the time. 2024. Hey, I feel it. So the gist is on. Let me cover it so I can show you guys. Okay, I've seen the app. Okay, so the gist is new, like it's on, as you can see. Okay, hey, see my hair, it's out of the bonnet. Anyways, it's not my phone, but I'll show you guys full face when I'm done. Yeah, the top is on. This is how it looks both together. I'm rushing out of time. Yeah, regardless of a Ghanaian, so you know, always late. At least let me act like from Belgium. Belgian people is always on time. Like, oh, they're looking nice. I don't know. Let me just cover the pink. Yeah, I don't know. It's looking nice. Just how it looks. Which one should I go with? I wanted to go with this, but it's very cold. Converse all this. I don't know. Yeah, at the end of the day, I'll wear one of them, and I'm gonna attach these small accessories. Yeah, good. Yeah, looking nice. If I should go with this black or this one. This one I have to just cover it like this, and this one I can hold it like this or across, if you need. But I don't know, it's very cold. I can't just, you know, hold this all the time, so I think I'll go with this. Yeah, hopefully it match everything, but I'll go with this. Yeah, we choose this. I'll be back. Hold on. Here we go. My hair is done with my forehead. Yeah, excuse me with that. My face looks like I'm sick. Of course I'm sick. I'm not feeling much, so this is how it looks for now. Yeah, I'm going to miss this and this for the day. Yeah, I'm not feeling well, but I have to drop that. Feel me, so yeah. Yeah, I'll go with the Converse. So that's how it looks. This is actually my boyfriend, because if I don't take jackets I'm going to be freezing out there. So this is the whole thing with this bag that I chose. Yeah, so I'll put myself together, then I'll get going and I'll keep you all updates. See you in my next clip. Peace out. It's me now. I'm down, my ass is on. Yeah, I look like a ninja. I'm feeling hot, so I will have to go, you know. Yeah, outside is not giving.
Anything we do, I did try to get to plenty so far.
Outside doesn't really look good. Yeah, it could be rain. Yeah, it's Belgian weather. Don't trust Belgian weather. But I know that it's just like Ghana boys. You don't have to trust them. They are all fake. Yeah, I'm waiting for the bus though.
What's it go? You want go? All the men, they can ride the boat. I go feet, die for nothing. What's it go? You want go? All the men, they can ride the boat. I know feet. Different things that happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, boat I'm paddling. Shara Shinabella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen dreams. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. Make I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shine, I'll be head of state. For my people, then go say, I know one vibe, I know one time, I know one baby. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house. I still want another life. What's it come? You are come. All the men, they can ride the boat. I go feet, die for nothing. What's it come? You are come. All the men, they can ride the boat. I know feet, oh no, now.
I'm going to cinema with my brother, but he's not that romantic. So, yeah.
Romantic though.
He's not romantic.
Not romantic.
Come and say hi. Hi, I'm not that romantic. Can you show me?
I'm not romantic.
Alex, Abs. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I would have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee. Because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair, where's me out of fear? You find me ugly and one day you disappear. Cause the point of crying, it was never even now. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? He doesn't see her. You're not looking at me, boy. But boy's a liar. But boy's a liar. He doesn't see her. You're not looking at me, boy.
Good, okay, fine. All good. Got this popcorn here. Come on. Let me see yours.
Only one.
No, we got you. Yeah. Side eye.
Ain't it been what it been? Pulling his phone like you'll send me a pin. Look at my shit cause you know what I'm on. But when he hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you. And I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
Boy's a liar. Boy's a liar. He doesn't see her. You're not looking at me, boy. Boy's a liar. Boy's a liar. He doesn't see her. You're not.
Last but one. My bra is black. I'm red.
I need you to trust me.